Awesome.
Let's go, Captain Bobbo. B-O-B-O, Captain Bobbo. Let's go, Captain Bobbo. Bobbo's Adventure Show. Captain Bobbo. Let's go, Captain Bobbo. B-O-B-B-O, Captain Bobbo. Bobbo's Adventure Show. Captain Bobbo. Let's go.
Hi everybody, I'm Captain Bobbo, and I am back. Oops. And I am back in the beautiful city of Perth. I can't wait to show you guys this playground. It is so big. And look who else is here.
Oh, hello everybody, it's me, Captain Crabclaw. Look where we are, woohoo!
There's even a little skate park. I'm going for a cruise around. Do you want to come with me? Come on, let's go.
Oh no, Captain Bobbo had a little tumble.
That's why it's very important to wear your elbow pads, knee pads, and your helmet when you're skating. All right, let's go have a look around.
Let's go! Maybe we can find some treasure. Woohoo! Love my treasure.
So I was just looking at my Bobbo remote. It says here the challenge book is here as well. And also that the floor's lava. So we've got to get off the floor really quickly.
Hot.
It says the challenge book's that way. Captain Crabclaw, lead the way.
Okay. Oh. Let's count the jumps. I love my counting. 1 jump. 2 jumps. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I don't know where to go from here. Maybe this way. 3. You coming with? 4. Oh.
Okay, Captain Crabclaw, keep going.
Okay, here's the challenge book. Woo. I think I found it, Captain Bobbo.
You have. It says here we need to find as many colours as we can. Are you ready? We better get to the end of this thing over here because the floor's still lava. Let's go.
Let's go, Captain Bobbo. All right, I'm following you.
Okay.
Don't forget to count the jumps.
Nah, you go because you're already counting. I can't remember what number you're at.
Oh, let's start again from number 1.
Okay, starting from 1.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nearly fell. Oh,
That must be the end, isn't it?
how do we get there?
You choose one way or the other.
All right, let's go this way. 11?
Maybe those shadows aren't lava.
Oh, do you reckon I can step on the shadows?
Worth a try. Is it hot?
Hey, I did it! Ta-da! What colour is this, Captain Bobbo?
That is red. Captain Crabclaw, can you spell red?
Oh, it's an easy one. R-E-D. Red.
And what's a pirate's favourite letter?
It'd be R.
I thought it was C because of the sea.
R, yes, it'd also be the C. Ah, come, Bobbo. I think I see some more colours this way. Let's go.
Should we tell them the floor's still lava or not? I don't think it's lava anymore. I think that game's finished. Anyway, he's gone that way. Let's go. So me and the little captains have decided that the floor's not lava anymore. That game finished when you started spelling.
Oh, I forgot about that.
All right, let's go find some more colours.
Okay, let's go. I'm following you, Captain Bobbo.
Okay. We've already done red. But look, there's green. I know someone whose favourite colour's green. Do you know anyone whose favourite colour's green? What's your favourite colour? And I know how to spell green. Should we do it together? G-R-E-E-N. Green. G and R, when they're put together, sounds like grr. Okay, let's go.
Hey, Captain Bobbo. My pirate's nose can smell treasure.
Really?
Yeah, I think it's... Oh. At the top of that tower. I'm gonna go find it.
You go.
Woohoo! Okay, climbing up the stairs. Woohoo!
Captain Crabclaw's going up the green ladder, up to the red basket thing.
I can smell it, it's around here somewhere. Woohoo! Here it is! Look at Bobbo! I got 2 gold pieces. 1, 2.
Amazing!
Yoo!
How on earth are you going to get down?
Oh, this big fun super slide. You ready?
Oh, do you want to take the little captains with you?
Okay. You ready for a slide ride? Let's go! Oh. Oh, gotta be careful going down those slides. Worth it for that treasure though. Haha. Okay, let's keep going.
Let's go this way. Let's go. Big steps, those ones. Hold up. Challenge book's glowing. It says here, we need to get to the orange thing by going through this obstacle course here. Are you ready? I'm gonna leave my challenge book, my Bobbo remote, in case I break it, always breaks, and my glasses here. And we're gonna go and do the obstacle course. Come on, let's go. This looks like a good spot. Oh wow, I didn't know it was gonna be this hard. Use all my skills.
Doing pretty well, Captain Bobbo.
Woo! Careful, Bobbo, don't touch the ground. I think it's hot water.
Okay, I did it. Okay.
Woo!
Looks like you're in a giant spider web.
Oh wow.
Hope there's no spiders around, Captain Bobbo.
What do you think there might be?
I think there is. Look out, there's one behind you.
Oh, that's the biggest spider I've ever seen. I'm getting out of here.
Woohoo, another flip. That's 2 flips from the captain.
I'm getting a bit dizzy. All right. I think we need to do another little. No, we don't. We don't need to do a roll on this one. I'll probably fall off the edge.
You're doing there, Captain Bobbo.
So close. Oh no, there's another. I didn't see this one. Another obstacle.
Oh, you gotta climb across this thing.
I'm up to the last obstacle. I've got to cross these 4 little platforms, little floating platforms, and then I think I have to use the shadows to get to the orange bit. Okay. Hope I don't fall off this one. We've come so far. 1, 2. Doesn't matter if you touch the ground a little bit. 3. 4. Oh, the sun's gone, so it's all shadow now.
Uh-oh.
Does that mean I can just walk anywhere?
Yeah, I think so. As long as you're really quick, you can run to the orange platform.
Oh, we did it. This is orange. Should we spell orange? O-R-A-N-G-E. We did it.
Woohoo!
Awesome. Can you see that in the background? They're those big yellow ones. Let's go and have a quick look over there. Let's go. Gotta go this way.
Oh, careful, Captain Bobbo.
Captain Bobbo, Bobbo, let's go, Captain Bobbo.
We've made it through.
Ooh, we're near the yellow thing.
Oh, look. I can't wait to get up there. But before we go and have the fun, let's do the spelling. Yellow. Are you ready? Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Right, let's get up there. Hold up. There's danger tape. Look here. It's upside down, but it says danger. And it's a notice on there. Should we read the notice? It says, City of Perth, due to public safety, this facility is temporarily closed. That's a shame. I was really looking forward to going up there, but it must be for a good reason, so we need to respect that. But we'll come back and do it again as soon as it's open. Okay, let's go find something else.
Woohoo! That's a shame, but I'm sure there's more fun stuff to do.
Whoa! Look at the rock climbing wall.
Whoa!
How high can you get, Captain Bobbo?
This is it, I think. I could try and go sideways.
Oh. Oh, don't touch the hot lava. Whoa, look at him go.
I really like Spider-Man. Will I be Captain Spider just for this bit?
Yeah. Whoa, there's more around the other side. Look at this.
I think that was pretty good for me. I bet you guys could do it way better though. Just got a challenge in, and it's for Captain Crabclaw. See these climbing frames here? He has to get from this side to the other side without touching the floor.
Uh-oh. It's gonna be tough.
It'll just be like climbing in the rigging for you on your trusty pirate ship.
Yeah, that's what I've got my mighty crew for. I don't do it myself. Oh, well, let's find out if I can do it.
Oh, I forgot about your crab claw. That's going to make it hard for you. Make sure you don't cut through the metal.
I know.
Can it cut metal?
Oh, you can cut anything, the old trusty claw. Whoa.
Oh, I'm going to stand back a bit. Oh, you're doing really well. Oh, I see.
Oh, my back. Oh, my crabby back.
Should we check it in just a little bit? Oh, it's so strong.
I feel like I'm back on my ship. Wonder if I can see any treasure from here. Ooh, I think I can see some at the end. Let's keep going.
Don't fall in. I think there's sharks and crocodiles and all sorts of things down there.
There's one down there.
You're very high up there.
It's like walking the plank.
Oh, you've done that plenty of times, I'm sure.
Okay, nearly there. Last little bit, you reckon I can jump it?
Oh, I don't think you should.
Don't try this at home. Only I do this because I'm a little bit crazy.
Well done. What did you find?
Look at this.
A bus.
A little toy bus.
Amazing.
That's a pretty cool treasure piece, huh?
Yeah, what are you going to do with that?
I don't know, do you reckon it can drive me home?
I mean, maybe with a bit of magic, you might. I was thinking maybe about sending it down a slide.
Oh, let's do that.
All right.
But first, let's spell bus. B-U-S. Bus. Ha! Let's go put it down a slide. Okay, there's the slide. Can you see it? Let's go put the bus down the slide. Woo! This isn't the slide.
Oh, Captain Crabclaw, you're making me feel dizzy. Wow. You okay?
I'm fine.
Okay, let's go. Watch out for that spinny thing, though.
Yeah, I thought I was gonna go into space. I'm gonna climb to the top, and you watch this thing come down. Woo! All right, you ready? Let's do it in 5. You ready to count down with me? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here it goes!
Oh, that was so much fun. Do you want to do it again?
Oh, that was pretty fun. I think we had a little casualty though with the bus. Oh no. Lucky there was no people on it. Oh dear, I wonder if we can use your magic remote to fix it.
I'm sure we can. Or we could probably just fix it ourselves. How many pieces did it break into?
I got 1, which is the main bus, 2, which is the roof, and 3, which is all the windows. That's 3 pieces. Woohoo!
I love building things, and I also love fixing things. So I'm going to fix that bus for Captain Crabclaw. So he said this bit was the roof, so that must go on last. And this is the windows. I think that's the windscreen. So let's put that on first. Like that. And then this is the roof. I think it goes that way round. And put that through there. And push it down. There we go, we did it. I love fixing things. This playground's so much fun. I can't wait to come back when that slide's ready to go. Don't forget, if you want to watch more episodes, all you have to do is remember my name. B-O-B-B-O, Captain Bobbo. Let's go.
Captain Bobbo, Captain Bobbo, Bobbo's adventure show. Captain Bobbo, let's go.